Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nur Alisha binti Muhammad Rosli. Today, me and my group mate will be presenting about our group assignment for subject Naval Architecture and Ship Construction. Okay, next, for introduction, the shipbuilding industry is a critical global sector and essential for trade and defense, currently dominated by China and South Korea. Today, the industry faces challenges like qualified personnel shortage and the urgent need for decarbonization. To stay competitive, companies are adopting AI, automation, and digital twins. For our study, we have selected a few local leaders, which is MHB, Lunas, and one more international leaders, which is HD Hyundai Heavy Industry. Okay, the first local companies is Malaysia Marine and Heavy Engineering, which can be called MHB. They are a premier energy and marine solution provider founded in 1973. Now owned by MISC Group, they specialize in heavy engineering for oil and gas, LNG carrier repair, and offshore conversion. They are also pivoting towards green energy through renewable energy project. Uh, uh, the MHB is located in Pasir Gudang, Johor, where it has two yards, two massive yards, which can be called MMHE West and MMHE yard, East yard. Okay, next is the current technologies, infrastructure, and equipment of MHB. Okay, one of the MHB strength lies in its infrastructure, where it has three dry docks with a 450,000 DWT capacity and massive Goliath crane. Uh, it also have over 132 overhead crane. This yard use smart yard technology. Okay, MHB target customer involve the marine company, oil and gas company, and renewable energy. Uh, one of this, uh, one of the customer is Shell, Petronas, and ExxonMobil. Uh, for the operational profile, they operate on an integrated EPCIC profile where it covers the engineering, procurement, construction, installation, and commissioning. Their target client is include, as I mentioned before, Shell, Petronas, and ExxonMobil. Uh, This MHB has a comprehensive energy and marine solution provider, operator of the region's largest fabrication yard to offer EPCIC service and specialize in repair and refurbishment. Okay, cost estimation for MHB can be classified into two parts, CapEx and OpEx. CapEx, it has the largest fabrication yard with three dry docks, while OpEx has involved its day-to-day cost of operation. Material and manpower considered of MHB, it depends on the sustainability of net zero carbon, skilled workforce of over 3,200 permanent employees. They also invest in Tibet and run a regional center of excellence. Uh, uh, One of few of the MHB key partners is Technip Energies, ATV Riva, Samsung Heavy Industry, and Fuel Cell Energy. While the production workflow and capacity planning of MHB based on its integrated EPCIC and where it has the capacity around 1 to 9,700 metric tons annually. Financially, MHB managed a large-scale operation with over 3,200 permanent employees and a dedicated regional center of excellence with key partners like Technip Energy, Samsung. They can maintain an annual production capacity of approximately, as I mentioned before, 1 to 9,700 metric tons. In conclusion, MHB exemplify how local shipbuilders can integrate technology and sustainability to lead in a competitive global market. Thank you. That's all from me.
For the local company, I choose Lumo Naval Shipyard, which is known as Lunas. Lunas located in Lumut Perak, Malaysia, which known as Royal Nation Navy Base, and the company is specialized in designing, building, maintaining, repairing, and overhauling naval and commercial vessels. The company started in 1984 as RMND and corporatized at 1991 and privatized at 1995. Worcester Shipyard SDN BHD BNS under Boosted Holding at 2005 and rebrand as Lunas at 2020. For the local Lunas has shipyard site at Lunas Perak Shipyard SDN BHD, Lunas Langkawi Shipyard SDN BHD, and Lunas Liach SDN BHD. As for the current technology infrastructure, facilities and equipments, they use 11 kV main distribution system and enhanced outdoor switch gear control, which enhance the safety and remote operability. And they use heavy lifting and handling equipments like gantry cranes, mobile cranes, evaluating tracks, overhead cranes, and crawler cranes. Solar pit also used as underwater testing facilities for supervise the calibration and testing of towed and hull-mounted sonar system. As for the targeted customer is Royal Nation Navy, which is RNN, which specialize in construction, maintenance, and refitting of naval warships. Secondly, Nation Maritime Enforcement Agencies, which is MMEA, which support repair service of small petrol boats. And thirdly is commercial vessel operators, which is construction of commercial ships like ferries. And for the operating profile is explain what Lunas actually do and how they operates. Firstly is shipbuilding and construction, which is design and construct vessel like petrol craft. Secondly is ship repair, maintenance and overhaul, which is MRO, which offer a life cycle support to extend the vessel. Lunas has ship. For cost estimation, there are two, which is capex and opex. For capex, such as land, dry dock, and synchronic infrastructure, cranes, fabrication equipments, NDT and inspection tools, and digital tools like ERP systems, environmental control. For OPEX, salaries and training, utilities, which is power, water, and waste disposal, and maintenance of. For cost for material and manpower consideration. For shipbuilding and structural materials, they are using high-grade marine steel for hull and ship structure like alloy. For fabrication and ship workshop stock, there are large steel stocks yard and fabrication workshop for cutting, shaping, and welding. Technology transfer and expertise buildings, which is on-the-job experience gained from the major programs. For the key partner, there are two, and such as system suppliers like C and OEMS, and also system integration system. For the production workflow and capacity planning, which is launched via the synchro which is launched after the hull assembly and outfitting stage. Second is post-launching activities, which is setting to work procedures, harbor acceptance test, sea trial, and final commissioning, and also contract review and design finalization, which is start from the detail, contract elevations, and completing of ship's design.
Next is Labuan Shipyard and Engineering Sdn Bhd (OLSE). LSE is a shipbuilding, ship repair and offshore fabrication company under Rendimax Group, serving marine and oil and gas industries. Operations began in 1972 and the company was incorporated on 26 September 2005. LSE is Class AA certified by the Royal Nation Navy and holds ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 certifications. They combine skilled workforce, modern facilities, and partnerships to deliver projects efficiently. The main shipyard is on Labuan Island along Victoria Harbour, covering 60 acres with room for expansion. The layout allows multiple vessels and offshore modules to be handled at the same time. Its strategic location near South China Sea shipping lanes make it convenient for regional and international clients. Next, we look at LSE technology and facilities. LSE use enterprise resource planning or ERP software to integrate material tracking, workforce allocation, and project scheduling. They also use 3D modeling software such as Aveva Marine and AutoCAD Plan 3D to plan and verify ship structures. LSE main facilities include 2 dry docks for construction and repair below the waterline, each capable of accommodating vessels up to 12,000 deadweight tons. The shipyard is also equipped with a synchro lift or ship lift system with a lifting capacity of 7,000 tons to lift ships out of the water and transfer them to land. In addition, the yard has dedicated module assembly zones and skipways for constructing helidecks, offshore jackets, buoys, and complex platform modules. The equipment includes CNC cutting machines, automated welding system, and gantry cranes ranging from 20 to 200 tons for lifting and moving heavy steel blocks. LSE also conducts non-destructive testing and hydro testing to ensure the structural integrity of materials and welds without causing any damage. Target customers for LSE come from 2 main sectors: maritime shipbuilding and ship repair, and offshore oil and gas and energy, targeting domestic and Asia-Pacific clients. In maritime, they provide shipbuilding, maintenance, repair, retrofitting, and conversion for private operators, government agencies, and naval contractors. In offshore oil and gas, they fabricate platform modules, jacket, helidecks, buoys, and pipelines, with projects for companies like Dialog ENC, Dowell Schlumberger, and Tarcom Engineering. LSE is preferred for precision, safety, and international quality standard. Operationally, LSE manage multiple projects at once using modular fabrication and pre-assembly. They handle customized vessels, offshore modules, retrofitting, conversion, and urgent maintenance. Careful planning, resource management, and coordination ensure projects meet timelines, specification, and international standards while maintaining safety and environmental compliance. LSE invests heavily in capex for infrastructure, dry docks, synchro lift, cranes, fabrication equipments, workshops, and digital platforms like ERP and 3D modeling software. Capex also covers offshore fabrication zones for helidecks, jacket, buoys, and platform modules, estimated at RM50 to 200 million to maintain high-quality operations and handle vessels up to 12,000 DWT. OPEX covers daily operations including salaries, training, maintenance, utilities, materials, and regulatory compliance, estimated at RM50 to 100 million per year depending on project activity. Proper CAPEX and OPEX management ensures safe, efficient, and high-quality service while supporting long-term sustainability. LSE carefully manage materials and manpower for maritime and offshore projects. Key materials include structural steel, pipes, mechanical and electrical components, and marine-grade coatings, while offshore modules use coated pipes, valve, and durable frameworks. The workforce includes engineers, naval architects, project managers, welders, pipe fitters, electricians, QA or QC inspectors, and technicians allocated according to project needs. Continuous training ensures health, safety, and ISO compliance, enabling LSE to deliver projects efficiently, safely, and to international standards. Key partners include class societies such as the Malaysian Marine Department, the Register, and NVGL, which provides certification, classification, and technical guidance to ensure safety, quality, and regulatory compliance. LSE also works with local and international suppliers for materials like structural steel, pipe, valve, electrical system, and marine-grade coatings. Engineering and design consultants verify structural assemblies and optimize modular block fabrications, while specialized subcontractors and EPC contractors supports offshore module assembly, load out, and installation for platform modules, jacket, helidecks, and pipelines. This partnership improve efficiency, maintain quality, and allow LSE to deliver projects safely and on schedule. LSE use a structured production workflow to manage multiple shipbuilding, ship repair, and offshore fabrication projects at the same time. Projects start with planning and design verification using 3D modeling and simulation to check structural assemblies and prevent conflicts before fabrication. Materials like steel, pipes, and mechanical or electrical components are procured and staged on time, followed by modular block fabrication in workshops for cutting, bending, forming, and welding. Heavy blocks and modules are moved with gantry cranes, multi-wheel transporters, and skid track to assembly areas of the synchro lift or dry dock for integration and outfitting. Parallel operations allow several vessels or offshore modules to be assembled at once. Quality assurance, including non-destructive testing NDT and hydro testing, is done at each stage. LSE has two dry docks, 12,000 DWT and a 7,000 ton synchro lift, enabling concurrence project while ensuring efficient resource use, safety and timely delivery.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shazwani binti Ismail. I will present about international company. So I choose the company is HD Hyundai Heavy Industry. So first of all, I will explain about company background. First, HD Hyundai Heavy Industry or HDHI is headquartered in Asan, South Korea. It established in 1997. One zone next slide. Current technology, infrastructure, facility and equipment. HD Hyundai adopt smart CX concept using digitalization and automation. Number two, use integrate CAD or CAE, PLMA, PLM, digital twin and AI system. Number three, enable end-to-end shipbuilding from design to delivery. Number four, equip with lift drop and modular block construction facility. And number five, utilizes advanced crane, CNC cutting, and robotic welding equipment. Next topic is target customer operation profile. The next topic is cost estimation. CAPEX and OPEX. CAPEX for SIA facility, dry dock, crane, automation, and digital system. OPEX for labor, materials such as steel, pipe, utility, and maintenance. Include logistic, expectation, and certification costs. And lastly, high CAPEX is automation, help reduce long-term OPEX and improve efficiency. So the next topic, key partner. Partner with Siemens, Aveva, NAPA, and Capmatic for digital platform and smart CX solution. Number two, collaborate with HD Hyundai Robotic on shipbuilding automation and AI. Number three, work with Korean Register or KR for smart ship and standard compliance. Number four, strategic collaboration with Huntington Eagle Industry for naval and auxiliary resale. And number five, focus on global industry partnership to drive innovation and efficiency. So the next material and manpower consideration. First point, material and manpower are critical in CEA operation. Number two, material such as steel plate, pipe, engine, and electrical system. Number three, focus on material availability, quality, and cost control. Number four, manpower for skilled engineer, welder, technician, and inspector. And lastly, coordination, ensure efficient production and timely delivery. So, for next topic, production, workflow, and capacity planning. And first point, start with digital design and integrate planning using CAD and PLM system. Number two, sheet block, fabricate and assembly based on optimized digital plan. Number three, module assembly and final on-dot construction complete. Number four, digital twin and smart sheet this monitor progress and improve quality or safety. Number five, capacity planning and I to optimize die drop, workforce, crane, and project schedule. The last slide is conclusion. In conclusion, the shipbuilding industry rely on advanced technology, skilled manpower, and efficient workflow to remain competitive. So Malaysian shipyards such as MHB, Lunas, and LSE adopt modern systems, specialized equipment, and digital tools to enhance shipbuilding, repair, and offshore fabrication while balancing carpet and OPEC, and ensuring safety and quality. So for the internationally company is HD Hyundai Heavy Industry set the benchmark with smart CX system and automation, highlighting the importance of digitalization and integrate workflow. Success in modern shipbuilding depends on infrastructure, skilled workforce, innovation, and strategic partnership. Malaysians yet progressively aligning with global standard, we contribute to national maritime growth and competitive in the Asia Pacific region. That's all from our group. Thank you.